have some breaking inputs coming in. Congress reaction on Kangana Ranaut's post. The Congress, of course, is hitting out at not just Kangana but the BJP. Congress slams Godse devotee. Congress has slammed the BJP MP saying that Godse worshippers discriminate between Bapu and Shastriji. And they're also posing questions to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, asking if Narendra Modi will forgive his party's new Godse devotee. That's a post, in fact, by Supriya Shrineth, and I'm going to read out that. She says, and I quote, BJP MP Kangana ने महात्मा गांधी की जयंती के दिन ये भद्दा तंज कसा, बापू और शास्त्री जी के बीच ये भेदभाव गोडसे उपासक करते हैं। क्या नरेंद्र मोदी अपनी पार्टी की नई गोडसे भक्त को दिल से माफ करेंगे? देश के राष्ट्रपिता होते हैं, लाल होते हैं और शहीदे आजम होते हैं. That's what Supriya Shrineth is saying in that post. Sabyasachi, Congress hitting out at not just Supriya Shrineth but also BJP asking, will the Prime Minister forgive them?
Well, that's right. See, the Congress party leader Supriya Shrineth has hit back not only at Kangana Ranaut and the BJP, but also hit back at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, stating that whether Prime Minister Narendra Modi would forgive his own party leader, who's drawing a comparison. Now, the Congress party has hit back at the BJP, stating that the BJP has been supporting the Godse supporters. Now, at this particular point, if you talk about Kangana Ranaut, time and again we have seen that controversial remarks have been coming in from her side, despite party not only in one incident but in several instances the party had to intervene and tell her not to make any sort of controversial remarks. In fact, in the last time as well, on record, she apologized for the remarks that she has made. In fact, she had to say that she cannot pass personal remarks, and at this particular time clearly the Congress has hit back at the BJP as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi of not taking any sort of solid action against Kangana Ranaut, who has been creating a lot of headache for the BJP time and again.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates. For the moment, we're moving on.